Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use profiles in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here, after the picture loads, from the bottom bar we have to select profiles. If you scroll to the right, then at the end of the little row we find profiles. We tap on profiles, and from here we can select from these kinds of presets. They are pretty much the same thing as presets, but they are classed differently. If we like black and white images, then we can select black and white profiles. If you like these kinds of presets or these kinds of profiles, we can play around and find the one that best suits our taste. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.